Welcome back. Today is day 5 of Find the Mean. So today what we're going to be looking at is when you are comparing the mean of two different sets of data. So what you will have to do, let's look at an example of this. So which set of data has a greater mean? So we want to know, whatever these may be, whatever kind of data they are, which one is a greater number. Now when you look at them, you could try to guess and figure it out, or you can just do the calculation. So as normal, we are going to add all the numbers, divide by how many numbers there are to find the mean. But this time we're going to have to find two different means. The mean of set A of data and the mean of the set B data. So we're going to do, oh yeah, we could have done this in our head, but now that I have this here, so we're going to do 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2, and we get 28, and we're going to divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5.6. So we'll make a note of that right here, that this one, A, was equal to 5.6. Okay, and now let's do B. 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. And we get 28, so we're going to divide by 5. .6. So they actually have, in this situation, the same mean. So that definitely can happen where they have the same mean. So even though it's all these different numbers, their average or mean is the same. So let's look at another one. So in these two sets of data, one thing that is different than in the last one is there are 3 data points in set A and there are 4 in set B. So you can't just like add them up and see which number is higher and then know that if you divide by that number that you would get a higher number. And this question says which set of data has the least mean. So we're actually looking for the lower number. So I think we can do mental math here. We've got 16, well 3 plus 12 is 15. 15 plus 16 is 31. And we're going to divide that by 3. So 31 divided by 3. Our calculator tells us that that is 10.3, and that will be repeating. So A is equal to 10.3 repeating. And let's see what B is. So 14 plus 11, that's 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. Oops, that's not it. We're not done yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we're going to divide 40 by 4, which we don't actually even need our calculator for that. 40 divided by 4 equals 10. So our mean for set B is 10. And it says which set of data has the least mean. So B is 10, which is lower than 10.3. So we know that set B would have the least mean. So yeah, that's what you do, is you're just looking at the different sets. There could be 3 sets, there could be 4 sets. And within the sets of data, they may or may not have the same number of data points. So that is what you do. And you can use your calculator or not, but you're just make sure that you are reading the question and answering what it asks for. In that case is mean. And then make sure that you are checking for reasonableness. So it does make sense. These are good numbers and they're close to each other, which makes sense because these have similar data points in the same range area. So yeah, that's how that works, and good luck on your work. Have a good one, and we'll see you later. Bye!